there, little brainiacs. Welcome to Kool Kreative Mingle. Don't miss out. Subscribe now and join our community. Let's dive in. Today's story topic is Unity in Fruitville, a salad story.
In the lush and vibrant Fruitville, a delightful town where anthropomorphic fruits lived, there lived two best friends, Banana and Blueberry. Banana, with his long, sunny yellow peel, was known for his optimistic view on life, while Blueberry, small and round with a deep blue hue, carried a calm and thoughtful demeanor. Together, they made an extraordinary pair, full of ideas and curiosity. One morning, as the sun cast its golden rays across Fruitville, Banana had an epiphany. "I've got it, Blueberry. Let's create something that will bring everyone together," he exclaimed, his enthusiasm as bright as his peel. Blueberry, intrigued, listened as Banana shared his idea, a fruit salad that would combine the flavors and textures of all their fruit friends. "That's a splendid idea, Banana," Blueberry agreed, imagining the possibilities. "But we must ensure it's the perfect blend, with each flavor complementing the next without overpowering it." The duo set out on their mission, starting with a visit to Apple. Known for her crisp and refreshing nature, Apple was thrilled to join. "Count me in. A fruit salad sounds marvelous," she chirped. Next, Banana and Blueberry stopped by Orange's house. Orange, with zestful energy and tangy flavor, was the life of any party. "A fruit salad? I'm all in," Orange exclaimed, squeezing with excitement. Peach was their next stop. Residing in the heart of Fruitville, Peach, with her juicy sweetness, believed in the unity of their community. "This fruit salad will be as harmonious as our lives in Fruitville," she said graciously. Grapes, clustered on their vine, added their juicy zest to the mix. "We'd be delighted to add a bit of snap to your salad," they chimed in unison. Finally, the friends visited Kiwi, who brought an exotic flair to the group. With soft, fuzzy skin and a unique tartness, Kiwi added the finishing touch of surprise and delight to their creation. With all their fruit friends on board, Banana and Blueberry gathered in the town square, where an eager crowd awaited their slice of innovation. Each fruit took turns contributing to the salad, carefully chopped and mixed, ensuring the perfect balance of flavor and texture. As they mixed the final bowl, Banana and Blueberry shared a moment of pride and satisfaction. "Why didn't we think of this sooner?" Blueberry mused. Watching the vibrant colors of the salad meld together, the moment arrived. Banana, with Blueberry by his side, presented the colorful fruit salad to the crowd. "Behold, the fruit salad of Fruitville," Banana announced. Tasting time was filled with awe and delight. One by one, their friends savored the mix of flavors, sweet, juicy, crisp, and tangy. The fruit salad was a triumph. That day, Banana and Blueberry learned that their shared creativity and teamwork could create something beautiful, uniting their community through delicious cooperation. The fruit salad became a symbol of harmony in Fruitville, celebrated and enjoyed by all. And so, with full hearts and bellies, the fruits of Fruitville celebrated not just their delightful new dish, but their friendship and unity, affirming that together, they could accomplish great things.
Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share with your friends, and subscribe to stay updated on all my latest videos. Thanks for being part of our community.